Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. Thank you. And in this video, I want to show and tell you what to do if personal hotspot does not turn on. That is, you can't give out the internet on your iPhone. How can you fix it? It's very simple. To do this, we go into the settings of our iPhone. Now here we click Mobile Data. Now turn on the mobile internet. And if this item does not appear, we press the item Mobile Data Network. Now go down to the bottom and find the item Personal Hotspot. And next to the APN we click and write the word Internet. Now click on Username. Publish any name. Then you have to type in your password. Now you have to go out from here. Then you have the Personal Hotspot function, which allows you to share your mobile internet with other people. Turn this function on and click Allow others to join. Done. Nothing complicated. Please, if this video helped you, don't forget to leave your comment and share this video with your friends. Write in the comments how you managed to fix your problem. If you liked this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel, and also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.